The spade handle is your drill's rear support handle. It allows for a two-handed grip for better support of the tool. The handle can be damaged if the tool is dropped, or if something falls on it. Replacing the spade handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old spade handle from the drill. The spade handle is secured with a nut and washer. I'll use a wrench to remove them. Now the spade handle will either pull free or you may need to unthread it. And now I can install the new spade handle. And I'll secure it with the washer and the nut. And that's how simple it is to replace the spade handle on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.